collections. If your buddy asks, you better give him directions to the contract. As a matter of fact, devs buy.
Hello guys, how are you doing today? Thank you for coming back into the channel. On today's video, we're gonna talk about what is going on with the market because a lot of us might be thinking, well, what is going on? What should we do next? I mean, what should we expect with the current market condition? And I think that is a very hot topic right now. As well, you might be thinking, well, what I should do about my Shiryo? I mean, should I sell? Should I buy? What should I do with the current Shiryo that I'm holding at the moment? So we're gonna talk about that. And as well, not everything is bad news or just news. I mean, we have good news here as well. Shiryo opened their to do their Reddit again, and they are celebrating this with another giveaway. And this is something really amazing because as we already spoke on previous videos, I mean, Shiryo is doing the best they can to actually keep the community engaged. So starting with the video, let's see what is going on with the market. As you already see here, we spoke here on previous videos. Bitcoin, yeah, we know that Bitcoin fell down. It actually went off the support that we drawn a couple of months ago. And as you already see, it already found support here on the 200 weekly EMA. I'm sorry. And this is something really important because we could have gone lower, but I think that we actually found the main support that we need to be concerned right now. I mean, it can go lower to the 20,000. I don't really feel that that is going to be the case, but obviously I'm gonna say I don't have a mic wall. This can be a possibility, but obviously I feel I'm confident. I'm always gonna be bullish with a Bitcoin, and I feel that it's gonna hold on this line, and I feel that we are gonna have an accumulating zone. I mean, I feel that we will spend some time here on these ranges between the 26, 25 thousand dollars. I mean, we will bounce here a little bit. So that is what I expect. We will have an accumulation zone here, and eventually at some point of time we will know better once we actually some days pass by or a couple of weeks to see what Bitcoin is doing at that point of time. We will see if it's gonna break up or if it's gonna break down. But I mean, we have to be patient, and a lot of us are thinking right now, well, I should consider selling. I should consider, I don't know, like taking a loss. But I have to remember you don't actually have to take a loss. You only lose the money until you sell. And this is something really important because a long time ago on my first bull or bear market, I made the mistake to sell at a loss. And I'm gonna tell you, if you think that Bitcoin right now it is actually struggling to recover, everything is going to hell. I mean, you're almost thinking that everything is going to actually go to zero. Please, I'm gonna please invite you. I'm gonna please tell you that go to the macro scale and see what is going on. If you zoom out the charts, you will see that this is nothing compared to what Bitcoin has been doing in the last years. In the last, what do you say, 10, 11 years, it is nothing. It is actually something, it is just a small bump. It's not even a bump. It is something that you shouldn't actually pay attention to that. Because if you take a look at a macro scale, you know that Bitcoin will go up eventually because this is what is going to happen with the market and with especially with Bitcoin. I want to invite you to be patient. This is the most important thing that you have to think about right now. Be patient. Don't sell at a loss. The crypto market will recover eventually. And other advice that I have to tell you, DCA, that is correct. If you bought here or here or here, I don't know, at the all-time high, if you buy here again, you will cut your your dollar cost average by half by buying. You will actually have more margin to be able to obtain more gains. So that is for Bitcoin. What is going on with Shiryo? As we already spoke in previous video, you know that we're on this accumulating zone. We found support on the 8100 level, and it seems that we're bouncing really great right there. Obviously, we were dragged down with the market, as you will see here. Well, here is on the weekly, on the daily chart, where they're on an accumulating zone right here. We are on another accumulating zone, and we are getting closer to the decision time of what is going to happen. We're going to see if we actually can break up and try again the 1200 level market cap, or if we actually have to spend a little bit more time right here on this accumulation zone. what I want to tell you again, if you bought here, or I don't know, here, or even at the all-time high, you can average your cost of your buying cost by basically buying again. This is the best time for you to get Shiryo. I mean, this is not financial advice. I'm not gonna tell you to do what to do with your money, but this is what I see. This is obviously what the professionals do. They actually they try to lower the cost of their acquisitions. So if you want to be smart and don't want to sell, buy right now. This is the best moment possible that you can actually buy Shiryu at the moment. So that's what I wanted to say about the market. But let's move on to another news. I know that you guys love giveaways, and Shiryu is doing that at the moment. So Shiryu just reopened the Reddit that they had. I think they had Shiryo before, so they have to move to another thread. So they are here right now. And they actually have this giveaway that is right here, be part of the Shiryo Trivia Week. And what they are doing. So starting tomorrow, well, not tomorrow, this post has been done like a couple, it was done yesterday. So that's gonna be today. They are gonna give away 5 base packs to 5 lucky winners. So throughout the week, they will actually post trivia questions about Shiryu, and the persons that answer the most questions will actually be able to participate on the draw. So the only thing that you have to do it is type the answer on the comments, and if you are actually you have the correct answer, you will form part of that group of people that will actually be participating on the draw. And there is something really amazing because only the guys that are following Shiryu and know the answer will be able to enter this draw. So only the true Shiryu, true wolf will be able to answer this. So go to the Shiryu Reddit page, answer the question, and please win the base packs that they are offering. So that is awesome. They are gonna do this for a couple of weeks. So you will have more than one chance to participate. Go that already and participate. And please don't forget that I'm doing my giveaway on my Twitter. I'm giving 3 base packs to 1 lucky winner. So go to my Twitter, do as it says, and that's the only thing that you need to do to participate. So thank you guys for being here. I hope that you like what the Shiryu community and the Shiryu team is doing for us to keep us involved, to actually keep us participating so we can actually a really close community. So that is everything that I had today. I hope that you liked the video. Please stay informed and see you until the next time.
On a Shiriu rocket, we pocket reflections, mint avatars to add to our collections.